So this is a question from him. So we have three number here, but it could be four or more. And then there are four math operator like plus, minus, multiply, and then divide. So from this one, we have to create combination. Actually, it's a permutation. So like we have 2, 4, 5 here, and then swap every position here, and then add four of the operator in each position here. So to get like total. Okay, I already prepared this. Okay, so this one. So we start from do the permutation. So okay, let's say if we have okay, just say sequence. Wait. Sequence of 9 start from 2. If we do the permutation, that will be let n is this one. Then permutation of this number by okay should be n. And here. So this is the permutation. So with 3 we have 6 possible, just like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are more. And then with 3 here, we can add 4 operator for 2 times. This means, and if it's 1, we can add 4 operator 1 time. That means we have to multiply this one by 4. And then power of, we have 2, we can add operation 1. We have 3, we add operation 2 times. So that means n minus 1 here. So this is the number that possible to do this one. And okay, I should put this one out to It mean maximum that we can do this in Excel is 6 number. So this one will be 20. It's like it's too much for Excel to handle. So we focus with just 2 until 6 here. Now we want to create permutation, and I have 2 methods here. Okay. First one is we start from blank. Just go with blank here. First, we will add 2 in any position. So I think I'll just put 1 here. Then I'll go sequence of 1. I will get 1 here, and then 2, and then 3 here. With 1, I will just replace blank here. Check. Start from 0. Start from 1, and then new text will be the number on top here. Number of chart. Number on top here. Okay, this one should be on top. Yep, I have 1. Next time, I want to attach number 2 before 1 and then after 1. So I just go like this. We have 2, 1 and 1, 2. Then I put this one into column. I will have this 1, 2. And then for 3, I go like this. And if there are more 4, 5, 6, I can go like more. And if we check the rows here, so rows of this one, yeah, I've got 2, 3, 6, 24, 20, and actually is equal to permutation of this. So just 2, 3, 6, 20, 72 here. So this is like permutation. In one way, this is good way to do it with the full number here. But if you want, like, if we want to do permutation of 3 and only pick 2, then this way can handle it, but we have to create more before we have to deduct it later. But it's not used in this case, so I just never mind about that. Okay, for example, so if we have like 4 and we only need 3 numbers, so like 4 number and only pick 3. With this method, we have to create all here and then just like go with left on all of this by 3. So we pick 3 here and then do the unique. And now we have only like rows. I think it should be the same. Yeah, 22. Well, okay, let's say we have pick only 2. Now we have 12. But in order to create this 12, we have to create all of this 24 or to get only 12 here. Another method is we just build as we want. So say, I think I'll just put this one in another sheet here. Okay, I'll just copy Control X, put it at G, and okay, this one I just copy. Okay, put it here. Another way to do this one is we just build as we had it. So let's say we also have 1, 2, 3 from 6 here. And for 1, okay, just let n is on top here. Then we need sequence in column of n. So we have this. I'll call this one as S. This is also S. Now, okay, 1 we cannot see anything. So okay, for 2. Then for 2 we need to attach 2 for 2 times. 1, 2 for 2 times. So that means we go with to call of S here to get this one. And S, which is already 2 row, and then we go with to call again. Problem with this one is we have duplicate number, like 1, 1 is duplicate, 2, 2 is also duplicate. So this where we need to check if the number is not happened before this one. So we have to check before go to call. So that means we have to check if it's number. So we check here. If is error mean, and then I'm gonna find S on what we have before. Oh, I have to go with reduce now. Okay, so just start with reduce this one, and we do it 2 times. So that means I also need S here. Then I'll just go with lambda a, and I don't use this one underscore. So we want to find is find S, which is 1 and 2 from A. That means if we not find the number in the sequence before, we call it is error here. And then if it's not find not before, I use if with, yes, I can just use if, yeah, because no, I need use is F to induce error here. I want A and S here. So with this one, I get rid of that duplicate. Okay, just let's say this one without if, and then to call. Yeah, now that 1, 1 and 2, 2 become false, and then I can get rid of that one by use is with S, and then to call with ignore error. Go like this. So this is like another way to do, and it just create almost the same thing except it's sort differently. But this one, with this method, I can just like, if we want 4 number and then only pick 2, instead of create all 24 rows here, yep, I just create 12 row by change the number here. So instead of this one 4 times, I just go with 2 times, sequence of 2, and I already get that one without need to create all this 24. And this is like a little bit longer, but this one is more flexible to do thing here. But we didn't use this one in this case, so I'm just go with this, the replace one. So okay, I just go with, I have 3 number here, and so we go with this. Then okay, now we just want this number, so I'll just let n is this number, and then r is row number of this number, rows of n, and then this one become the sequence of r. No, Wait, forgot. Wait. Okay. To call replace. Oh, this one I didn't use. Okay. Start from beginning. So let n is all this. Wait. 3 number. R is rows of n. Then reduce, start from blank, and then sequence of R. We get 1, 2, 3 here, and then lambda a and I. I is 1, 2, 3, and then we replace. Oh, we need to call before that. To call of replace a. Hello. Oh, seem like I have problem with microphone here. Thanks to L, but this to notice that. Okay. Oh, not sure where that. Okay. Just think I'll just. Okay. What should I do? Okay, I'll just reset everything, and then I think I'll cut this one on the beginning of again. Okay. Just quick explanation here. So this is how I have two way to create permutation. So the first one is like replace. Replace is easier, but it's have limited that we have. If we like pick 4 from 2, we have to create all, and then just pick 2. Like we go with left of this one by 2, and then go with unique here to get only 2. But another way is this one. where we can just like stop anywhere we want. So just like this one. This S is sequence of 4. So if I go like sequence of 2 instead, I already have this one. But this one we only create 12. This with the replace method, we have to create 24 to get 12 here. So some is flexible, some is less flexible, but for this question, we just go with this number. Okay. And okay, but the replace method here is not work well with the different length of number like this one. So like depend on what we want. Okay. So okay, I'll just go with this one. This one we just replace with the number directly, and another one we just go with index. So this means we have I here, and then this one just 1, 2, 3, and then later we can use index to extract the number later. Okay. Now, when we have this one, we want to add 4 operation on into each of this one. So let me spread this one out. This mean, oh, I think I just go with sequence of n here, and this one become my r instead. Okay. When we have this one, I can meet of this by sequence of 1, 2, 3, which is r by 1 to get this. And then I can go with index of n here to get the number. Now we have like this. Next, we have to add 4 operator onto each of this one. So the way to do this one is like we have 5 here, and then we add operator and the number got like this. How about next round? Next round, we have to go with this one, but if we go directly with this and the next number, we'll get the same operator on each one. So this is not permutation. So to do this one, we have to go like 2 row on this one to create grid of this one, and then do another to call to get all of this. So this is like we have plus 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 minus and then plus multiply plus divide here. So this is how to do, but this one we have to go row by row, because if we like we cannot go like this one and then operator to row here. So we have this, and then we need to go to call again another way, and next one is the number like this one, but again with this we have to go to row with this again and then go to call. So if you can see this pattern, it means we can continue with this one and we can use reduce this way. Okay, so let's try. Let's try that one. So that means we will start with, okay, let this one, wait, let's A is all this, I use A here, and then the reduce, I have to start from the first one. So reduce, start from the first one. That means take A by first column, and I have to do this for 2 times. So it means I need from like 2 and 3 here, 2 and 3, and then lambda A and I. Oh, I have too many A here. This one will be M. Okay, take M by 1, lambda A and I. So we start with A, and we need operator. This means go with 2 row of the operator. I think just go. Oh, Oh, to go. Let me copy from this. Okay, have this copy from this one. And then operator is this one. Math. Okay, start with. And then M is this, which is M here. I just combine everything here. So this is my M. This is my M. Now, okay, go reduce. Start from first column of M. I mean, take M by first. And then I need index of 2 and 3, which I already have here. But I need to drop the first one out. So this one is 1, 2, 3. I need 2 and 3. So drop R by first column out. And then lambda, A, and I again. Now, first round, we want A and 2 row of operator, which is O. And with this one, we have to split it to columns. So to call of this one again. Now we have number and operator. We need next number on this one. So this means and 2 row of second column index of M by 2, which is I here. This. And after that, we go we transpose, not transpose, make it to call again. This one, I hope this one is right. Cross, 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 cross. Yep. Now, okay. Check rows on this one. You can see that we have overshoot too many stuff here. Because if we do it together in the same time, this means we combine like this one, 5 and 5 again. So this since we already check it, we don't want 5 and 5. So with this method, we have to do row by row instead of that one. So this means M, I have to go like only one column of M. This means M is like, okay, I'll just take first column. Oh, not first column, first row. So first row of M, we have like this. And then we do second column, third column, fourth column, and then stack it together. So with this one, I need to do reduce, next reduce here for each row. Okay. So, okay, let's try it. I do this one, reduce with M here. So, okay, just stop it here. M. Okay, let's try. We need number of row from M. So another reduce. Now we have to stack it in vertically. So I'm starting with 0 here. And then 1 is just 1 row. And then lambda. A, no, I'll go with C and J here. Now we go to do the next reduce here. And then M have to be only first each row. So let's no, not let. Okay, instead of take, I'll just go index of M by J and 1 here. And this index, I just go by J, M. Not sure if I'm gonna make it right. Cross, cross, cross. Let's copy this one and then let's go with oh, I don't need let here. What index? Oh, take. I don't need, also don't need take here. So this one will be M. It's not this. Okay. Now this is only first row. If I want, how many row here? 6 row here. So this means I have to count, or I use combine, promote here. So instead of 1 here, I go sequence of Oh, I don't have number of row here. I just check the row. So rows of M. Now I didn't do VStack, so it's just go for the last one, which is 20 and 4 and 5. Then with this, I can go VStack A to combine everything together. Oh, not A, should be C. Okay. This one, and then I don't need the first one, so just drop the first one out. Now check the rows here. I have 96 row, which is same here, same target here. But actually this is work okay, but it's slow. Okay, so if we have like 6, 7 here, if I go like 6 here, it's give me this number. Good, not much. 8. Now if we go with 6, still fast, but because it's only 30,000. But if I go with 7 here, which will create 700 rows here, it's gonna take quite long. The problem with this one is the VStack on a lot of arrays take quite long time. So see, it's still not finished running. This one is really slow here. So just gonna, I cannot kill it. Should I just close it? Yep, I'll just close it and redo again. And here. Okay, so the problem with this one is when we do like VStack on each one, it's like taking very slow. Another method I learned from Peter Bartholomew, I forgot to attach a link, is called bisection. Bisection VStack. So let's say, okay, just go with this one. Okay, reduce 0 and sequence of 10,000. Lambda A B here, and what I did here is I VStack A and B to get 1,000 rows. So like this one already take quite some time, and then it's gonna take longer with more. So if I go like 2,000, yeah, it's take quite some time here. Only 2,000. Another method is we use bisection recursive. So with this one, I have to create recursion, so I'll just go with let b is the lambda for bisection, and then lambda is called itself here, and then v is the value that we want. And then first we want to check if n is number of row of v here. So first v will gonna be like 1,000, and then if n is equal to 1, that means 1 row here, we want to do something with that. So but now we don't do anything yet, so I just put v here. So if row equal to 1, just put v here. If not, then we want to do the bisection recursive, so with VStack. So VStack on B, and then B again, we call itself again, but now we want to take top half of the whatever in V here. So take V by top half, which is n divided by 2. This is the top half. And then we go with the bottom half, same here, but we drop the first half out. Go with this and cross here. So this is our lambda here, and we call it like this. So b, and then whatever we want in v here. So that means sequence of 10,000. You can see that it's like quite fast. I can go 5,000, 50,000 here is still really fast, but this one just like 20 is already slow. So this, I will use this one, apply into this to make it faster. So to do this, we have to create the same recursive binary here. So just put it somewhere here. But what we want here is not just v. We want the combination of each line, which is, I'll just put it here. So let's say that we have this each row here. We want to expand this into 16 row like this one. So I'll just go with this one. So reduce. And with this one, which each row I can like skip the first initial, it just take the first one. And then it select the question and then lambda, no. I can still use A and V here. So for each A, I will go with to row of the operator, which is this one, and V, which is one number only here. And with all of this, I go with to call again. What's it? Oh, let. I don't need let here. Okay, just go with this one. Yep. I have all this. So this means on each row, I have to do like this one. So let's put this one into this. So what we want to do here is this V. We want to go with reduce on that V, which is already, now I'm gonna have problem with duplicate of variable here. So this will be my X here, and this will be my X. And this operator is O. Okay. Reduce, and then after Y go with V stack. So, okay. Now, with this one, instead of drop and reduce here, I can go with bisection. So, I can go with B and B on what we have here, which is M. Cross. I can go like, this one is really fast here. Like you can see, okay, just compare it. So this one like almost instant. This one V stack take quite some time, and I don't want to go for the 7 row with this formula because it's gonna crash my Excel again. But this I can go with 7 and only take like less than 1 second here, and this one create 700k row here, and this is like quite fast here. So this is, I think, that a little bit different than when I answer this one in the question, but almost the same, except that the first part I use the second method of this one. I don't know how to call this, but should be almost the same speed here because yeah, the first part is not cause any error, not cause any slowness here. So this is like how to do this one. And then what else can we do with this? I have like several method, but all other method is like slower one. Okay. Oh, another thing is, oh, nothing. I already purchased this one. Okay, let's try for fun, not for speed. Okay. For fun, like if I have this one, can I like just do all the shuffle within this method here? So like instead of just replace number, okay, let's say we have only 1 digit number, we can like shuffle all the number, include this mat operator. Yeah, we can do that, but it will not be as effective as this method. So this one is like, I think this one is the fastest one. Okay, let's try. So if say that I have 1 2 and 2 1 here, okay, if I have 1, then next one I want to add 1 plus 1 minus, and then 1 multiply 2, and then 1 divide by 2 here, but I also need to add 2 in front, so that means I have to plus 2 here and then 1. So this means if I go like this, I have to add operator on every in front of this number, not just the first one. So okay, let's try it. So instead of this, one I don't need 4. Okay. So this is just add the number. And say, okay, just go by 1 first. With 1, I want to add operator in front of 1 here. So this means I need the O. This means I need O and I. So like first round. Second round, 1 and 2. It not go as expect because I need to shuffle the step here to 2. So it's go like this. And then with 3, 1 2 3, which is already sequence of R, and go like this. But the problem here, actually we can see the problem here already. Plus only go with plus, minus only go with minus, and then like we not do any permutation here. So what caused this one? Let's see. So this one is like sequence of 2, so 1 and 2 here. And then we replace this one with O and I, which is okay, let's say operator and 2 here. So we just replace 1 and 2 with in. So let's okay, let's start. We start with operator and 1. So okay, try it. And 1. Oh no, only this one. So with this position, that means plus only go with plus, minus only go with minus here. So we don't have all the combination here. So to create this one, we have to shuffle all this. This mean with 1, I need like 1 1 1 1 1 here, and then this one is go with 2 row of all this, and then we separate it replace with first position 1, and then with 2 we need 2 4 times, and then like this we have to create something like this to make it shuffle all of this. So okay, let's try. So let's I'll go with O and I first. So O and I. This will be P, okay? Then to create all this, we also need this sequence. So this one will be my S and sequence. Then with this, I have to go with 2 row of sequence, and then I have sequence for 4 times. So if P more than 0, then I create with S here. So this means we have 4 row of P, and then this 2, it will create 8 here, and then go with 2 rows. So this will be, I think it will be 1 2 1 2, yeah, 1 2 1 2 for 4 times. And we also need this one for 4 times. So if, okay, 2 row again. If sequence, then we go with this one. Yep, for 4 times. Yep, and can go with this. Okay, so now it's better. We have 1 plus 1 minus something here, and then we can go for 4 times here, 3 times. So sequence of R. But the problem with this one is rows. We have 384 rows because we also need to insert operator in front of each one, which we don't need. So we can go like mid on this one by 2. So ignore the first operator and then go with 99 here to get this one. And then with this one, like we also do the unique. So with this method, to create 96, I have to create 4 times more here. So this is why this one is not efficient. This means this method we cannot go for 700k here because we have to go 4 times with this one 2 million, which is exceed possible number of Excel here. Okay, there are like some more, just some more here, but I didn't go. The other way is like shorter. Yeah, I think this one is shorter but slower. Okay, let's try. Sure. So this one, this, and then if I go like for 8 row, yep, slow. Not much, but compared to this one, slower. So okay, this timing, this one. Okay, for timing, just put it here. Okay, put it on top here. Okay, ST is now timing. And then this one is my result. So RS here. Time is now minus ST multiplied by 864. This is 24 multiplied by 60 and 60 to get second. Okay, this one 0.96. This one I think should be faster. ST is now, then this is my result. And then now ST at 8.466 here. Yeah, this is slower, faster. So 0.3 here. This one, yeah, like 2 times faster with this. This one is a bit slower. I think this one even slower. I'm not sure what I did, but I think gonna be, it could crash the Excel. Yeah, already slow with, this one is not good at all. So with only 4 of this one already take, because of this, it take quite some time. Okay, let's charming this one. Oh, wait. Not sure it's gonna crash. ST is now, and then what I did here. Yeah, this one is slow. RS here. And now minus ST multiplied by 8.466 here. Oh, this is just 4 row. Okay, go with 7. Yeah, 4 seconds slowest. So this one is maybe the fastest one right now. Okay, I think, yep, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.